Are digestive issues twisting up your life? You're not alone. Problems associated with poor digestion affect over 60 million Americans at a cost of over $148 billion annually. Poor digestion has been linked to low energy, bloating, constipation, diarrhea, headaches, heartburn, and indigestion. And that may not be all. Digestive health is more than dealing with indigestion and heartburn by taking an antacid or other short-term fix. It's about supporting your entire digestive system to function properly. LIV's E3 is a multifunctional digestive support product. It is the only product with the unique DPR technology. Most products only address one part of the digestive triangle. LIV's DPR addresses all three digestive system concerns: digest, protect, and restore. The first part of DPR technology is digestion. E3 supports healthy digestion of foods. The second part of a healthy digestive system is protect. Stress, chronic illness, and environmental toxins can cause damage to our gut health. Antibiotics, birth control, and other drugs also contribute to an unhealthy gut flora and may damage our intestinal barrier. It is important to protect and maintain a healthy intestinal barrier. E3's scientifically formulated ingredients help protect your digestive system. The third part of a healthy digestive system is restore. E3 helps restore healthy intestinal flora with a unique strain of probiotic called l.reuteri. Unlike most probiotics, l.reuteri can survive passing through the stomach and help repopulate the intestines with beneficial bacteria and crowd out the bad bacteria. Take care of your digestive system. Give it the triple support that it needs with LIV's powerful E3 with DPR technology, and untwist your digestive system.